day trading the Forex markets, crypto, whatever. So I'm here to help you with your trading psychology. The mindset that you have to be a day trader and to be a successful day trader is very systematic. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 rules that you must follow in order to be a good trader, to improve your trader psychology and to relax when day trading. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. Okay, so people do not type in trader psychology into the search bar unless they've lost a substantial amount of money. So first, let me say I'm sorry that you lost money, but second, let me tell you that I have done the same, and I'm here to help you with your trading psychology. Here's what you're probably doing. You are getting into the markets, you're watching price action, and you're seeing movement, and you get in on a trade with no other analysis besides the fact that the price is trending up like crazy. We just had this huge spike. I'm gonna get in, or I'm gonna get out as quick as possible, just scalp a little bit, make some money and walk away. You get into profit, you don't take it because you think it's gonna go even higher, then it goes reverse. And you're like, no, it's gonna go back to where it was, and then I'll make more money. And then it keeps going down and down and down and down. And you're like, no, eventually it'll go back up to where I entered and I'll get out at break even. This snowball effect completely f***ed you. You got in on a trade with emotion and you didn't get out even when you were in profit, and your loss threshold does not exist. So you blew your account eventually. If this is you, welcome to the club. You are a part of the 95% of traders that lose money. But that's okay because I have a solution for you guys. So jumping onto the charts, I want to show you one example of how this happens day in and day out. Now, I can't express to you enough how perfect this is. Ready? We see this big sloping green up, everything's going. We get this massive bullish engulfing. We've broken previous levels of whatever. You get in on a trade. The next candle, it starts going red. But because you don't have a good strategy and your stop losses are too tight, these 2 next red candles stopped you out. Then it starts consolidating, and then you get another bullish candle, and you're like, oh my God, I'm gonna get in on this, it's going up. So you buy again. Stop losses are way too tight. Next 3 candles stop you out. This next candle goes up, and you're like, oh my God, see, I knew it was going up the whole time. I'm gonna get in on this, and I'm gonna hold it. Stop loss is too tight, you get stopped out. It happens again and again and again and again to the point where you're like, okay, last one, I'm holding it forever, and all it does is go down. This is the typical waiting for the gambler mentality of trading. Like, people capitalize on this day in and day out. This is why you have to have a rules-based trading strategy. What do I mean by rules-based trading strategy? When you are starting out day trading, you have a strategy, right? And then you back test it, and then you demo it, forward testing it. This strategy is the only thing that you should use. So say, for example, your strategy is a moving average strategy, and you only go for short positions when it's below the 21 SMA and long positions when it's above. What you also need to have is multiple confluences. So we are below the 21 SMA. We're showing bearish momentum. That's 2. And then let's say you're using doji candles as a part of your strategy. Then you get a doji bearish engulfing, and you're like, cool, I'm in on a trade. That is 3 confluences that you use to enter your trade. That's what having a rules-based trading strategy is. You have to have these 3 things minimum to hit in order for you to enter a trade. You do not get in on a trade because the price is going. That's wrong. Never place a trade. Literally, just get a piece of paper, write down your rules. You do not enter a trade until these 3 things or 4 things or 5 things are met. When you're looking at the charts and you're seeing something, don't click the buy or sell button. Check your list. Make sure you've hit every single one of those. Then you'll know it's not emotional, it's strategic. Then you get in on a trade. So, rule number 1 is rules-based trading. You have to trade on rules. Science, bro. Rule number 2, do not trade on emotion. Like I mentioned before, when you get emotional, that's the gambling mentality. That's market manipulation at its finest, basically teasing you with something, you fall for it, and you're stuck in a trap. It happens time and time again, and it's why 95% of traders lose. So, rule number 2, do not trade on emotion. Now, rule number 3 is an extremely long topic. I've made a separate video on that. It is risk management right here. Proper risk management when day trading is the most crucial thing ever. Because if your rules-based trading strategy is set to where you're risking 1 to 4, meaning that if you're risking 1 to 2% per trade and your reward for that is anywhere from 4 to 8%, that means if you win 1 trade, you can afford to lose the next 4 and still be break even. Proper risk management is paramount when day trading, and it helps your psychology because it's no longer emotional trading. It is systematic. It is rules. There are techniques that you must follow in order for you to do a trade. Think of your day trading as now being a program. Your trading brain now will not execute a trade unless these parameters are met. Programming is the same thing. They're all if and then statements. So rule number 3 is proper risk management. Never ever click that buy or sell button without having a specified take profit and a specified stop loss in place. Rule number 4 is do not overtrade. The tendency for most people, especially if they're like me and they can sit in front of a computer and watch the charts all day, is to get in on this pair, this indice, this crypto, and it's like 57 trades running at the same time, and it's breaking apart your focus. You're looking at too many different things at the same time, and that's where mistakes come into play. I've done it several times where I'm looking at USD CAD, doing my analysis on that, then I pull up my phone on MetaTrader 4, I type in, whatever, and I place a trade, and I realize that I just placed a trade on GBP JPY when I'm doing all my analysis on USD CAD. Do not overtrade. Do not look at too many indices, too many Forex pairs. Focus on 2 or 3. Too many pairs, too many indicators, too many lines on your charts. Simplify it. It's not complicated. So, rule number 4, keep it simple. And the most important rule of all, rule number 5, do not revenge trade. What's revenge trading? Say you just lost $2,000 on a trade and you're like boiling inside, just furious. And so you're looking for the next move and like trying to get your money back because it's my money and the market just stole it from me. And you start getting angry and you're completely throwing away your rules-based system. You are overtrading like a crazy person, trying to get that money back as quickly as possible. And what happens when you trade with emotions? You lose time and time again because the markets are looking for people like you getting emotional, falling for trap after trap after trap. And instead of just losing a couple $1,000s on a trade, you end up losing $10, $15, or $20,000 throughout the day because you're angry and you're revenge trading. So rule number 5 is do not revenge trade. If you are in a bad mood, if you've had an argument with your spouse, stuck in traffic, super anxious, do not trade. If you are angry, turn off your phone, turn off your laptop, get away from the charts, do not trade. It is the worst thing you could possibly do ever. Doing these things, practicing on a demo account, really having a strategy that is rules-based, it completely alleviates all of the emotion from trading. I used to be such an emotional trader where I would get in a trade and I'd start sweating and like, oh my God, is this gonna go? Now, when I place a trade, I look and I have my system and I get in a trade, I set my take profit and stop loss, and then I walk away. I'll go have a coffee, read a book. Like, I have no emotion behind it because my strategy has proven to be successful over time. So I just do the trade and I'm calm all the time. I don't worry, I don't stress about my trades. And it's really, really, really refreshing compared to how I used to trade covered in sweat. So just relax, man. Keep it simple, have rules, watch all of my videos if you want to learn specific strategies on how to day trade. I mean, some people like to scalp, some people like to hold positions for a few days. My videos have a plethora of all of that information. So go through my videos, set up a demo account, start trading casually. It's no risk with a demo account. So that'll calm you down immediately. then after a month of, constantly trading day in and day out, you'll see, yeah, my system works. Now I can pay in real money, maintain my system, and just slowly get profit over time, building and building and building and building your Forex account or your trading account or your crypto account, whatever you're looking for. So if you guys have stayed here this long, that means that you like the videos.
Bro, you guys are funny as hell.
Bro, you guys are funny as hell.
Damn, bro. How does that doesn't even look like me, bro. But I hope you guys had the little video. I was watching this video actually, like a day ago, just because I was like bored, just watching a bunch of trading stuff, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna put this video on at the beginning of the stream for you guys. But yeah, pretty cool guy, the moving averages. But let's get started with my stream. Let's put up my face on here. What's good, guys? What's good? What's good? And we got 33 people in here. What's good, Loof? What's good, Seth? What's good, Prestige? What's good, Mr. Brisson? What's good, Alawa? What's good, Prestige? What's good, Chino? What's good, boys? What's good? Alright, me. Alright, now you guys see me. What's good? What's good? What's good, Athena? What's good, Brandon? What's good, C? What's good, boys? Alright, so let's start breaking down some trades over here. And let's start breaking down some. Let me see. I'm gonna move this over here. Put this here. And then put my trading view on here. There we go. Now you guys see my trading view. What's good, Darius? What's good, Roxanne? What's good? What's good, Forex Frank? What's good, boys? So, let's go over here what's been going on. Yesterday, I had a fire-ass boot camp. I didn't have that much people on there, actually, but the guys that were on there, good job for guys being on, because I actually broke down a bunch of stuff that was needed to be broken down, and actually broke down what was going to happen during the whole week for gold and for GJ. I was going very in depth with these pairs, but let me now go in depth again here with gold and with GJ. So, as you guys notice, let's go over here to the bigger. Let's actually go to the weekly here on gold, because I have something on here. So, this is what's been going on with gold. We came up over here. We came up, right, and then boom, we got this bearish engulfing candle. We closed below all these areas of rejection, but we made it into an area here of demand. So what are we gonna do here? Are we gonna reject? Because we clearly did reject. We came up a little bit. What we were talking about yesterday on stream, not on stream, on the webinar, was that we could possibly come up to this area over here and start rejecting it. So if you guys notice, let's go over here to the daily. We came up here and we rejected it. Right, so this kind of looks like now we want to come back down to this area of demand. So are we gonna come back to it and reject it and keep on flying, or are we gonna come and start closing below these areas? Right, so it most likely could look like some sells over here if we start coming down over here and start closing. So let's hold on there for the buys. Let's wait a little bit and see what will happen. We started dying down here. We got the bearish momentum. We got a nice bullish run over here. We got almost the fill over here. We came up, but then we started losing momentum. We closed very weakly here, very weakly here yesterday on the daily time frame. So now we're on a little candle over here. It's at the moment it is bearish. We are in a bearish candle over here on the daily. But honestly, we did come up a little bit and we couldn't hold this level. So let's see if we come down more today. It could be possible sells. Remember, we are in Asian session, so moves might happen during London or New York. So we have to be very patient here, choosing direction. Right? For right now, you guys come over here the 1 hour time frame. We are in a range. So let's draw our ranges over here. There's a range here. A little range over here. All that we are holding. So at the moment, this is what we're looking at. We're rejecting this area here of support, and we're rejecting this area here of resistance, right? Which is supply and demand. Big ass dick and balls setup. I'm just hyped, bro. I never had a Rolex. But who bought a Rolex? Who had a bro? Oh, okay. Okay, so let's see what happens over here. We did liquidate this whole area over here. There could be possible buys over here onto the top of the range, and then at this range over here we could possibly see some sells, right? During agent session, all we do is stay in this little channel. All we do is stay in this little range. Let's wait a little bit for some volume over here. It is currently 8:07 p.m. Eastern time, so we do have to wait and see what we're gonna do. Right, we did liquidate this whole area here to the downside, so we could see some possible bullish momentum. Kind of like, you know what range I like more? I kind of like this range a little bit more. This one over here on gold. I feel like it's coming up here and rejecting a little bit more, so I'm gonna have it over here for now. So let me see. We got news tomorrow. We might not see too much volume. My range, yeah. So which is good on our side, because every time we come on here and we catch some ranges, we kill it. So Snipes, you in Texas or Miami? I'm in Miami, brother. I'm in Miami. We're chilling here in Miami. Yeah, I went over there to help dollar and stuff, but I'm back here in Miami now. So yeah, let's see what happens over here. We could keep on consolidating. So let's hold it on here for a little bit until we start seeing some volume. Now let's go over to GJ. Right over here. GBP What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh wow, do you know Wix 9? No, I don't know Wix 9. I know who he is, but I haven't met him personally. Okay, so what are we doing here? I want to see the weekly here. So we're getting very close here to to this area. What was it? 184,900, no, or 185,900, where we have a strong area here on GJ. So we do kind of look like we're flipping over here on the weekly. We pushed up, as you guys know. We closed above a little bit over here. We started coming down, but now it looks like we're kind of rejecting this area over here. There could be a possible break over here for it to keep on going up a little bit more to where we have areas kind of like these. Let me draw it down for you guys here. We have this strong area over here where we could hold, right? Maybe this 184,900, where we have this, either this area of support, or either this area here of support that we now broke. Now we could use as resistance. So let's draw it out over here. Boom, boom, right here. All right, there could be a possibility where it comes up a little bit. You guys can see prices right over here. Price could come up over here and start rejecting over here. Does that mean that we're gonna melt over here 1,000 pips once we touch this area? No, it doesn't mean that. But we could possibly see some type of rejection. So let's see. Let's see what happens over here. We also have this area here, right, that we could reject from. So let's hold and wait and see what happens at this area. I'm currently bullish for now onto this area, but we have to be very careful here with catching direction, especially at this time, right? Because most of the time here, what we do is just consolidate here during agent session. So what we're gonna do is just wait. We are in a range here in the 1 hour time frame. As you guys can tell, let's go over to the 30. We are within this range. So draw it out here. This is area of support or area of demand, and then there's this nice little area here, right over here. Is a good area here of supply or resistance. So what are we waiting for right now? Let's go over to 15 for a sec. Okay, yeah. What we could be waiting for at the moment is maybe possibly come up to this area here and maybe look for some sells, or maybe look for some buys at this area, but we've already rejected it as well. So we have to wait and see what happens here with GJ. Breakout above level, yeah. So if we start getting some closes above these areas, notice that we are bullish. So we could see a run, right? Are we gonna see the run during Asian? I don't think so. I do think we could see the runs during London and New York, which those are the times that we see most volume. But we have to be very careful with taking sells over here if we're now closing above and retesting, because there could be an indication here that it wants to keep on pushing up into this area over here that we have. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now for GJ and gold. What AMAs do you use? I use these estimates. I use smooth moving averages, the 8 and the 50. I took out the 200, changed this one to blue, changed this one to red, and that's it. If you go over to indicators, 3 smooth moving average by Hamid Safi. That's what I use. Yeah. So let's wait and see what we will do. I see sells at 923. Nice. So maybe around this area here. So yeah, let's see what happens over here. Let's go over to GU, another pair here that we trade. So let's delete everything over here. Let's delete everything. So let's go over the weekly time frame. So it kind of looks like we came up here. I think it's that FXCM had a little lag over here. Let's do something here real quick. Let's put a Wanda. Let's go over the weekly. There you see. Nice. So go over here. You guys could tell that we had a bullish run, kind of looking very similar here to GJ as well, right? But GU is more on the wanting to reject more at this area side. So we came up here, we had that bearish push, and then now are we gonna do a little gambler candle to keep on coming up, or will we maybe come up a little bit and then start coming down more, maybe to these SMAs? That's what we're waiting for right now here on GU. We did reach also this area here of rejection that we are obviously rejecting right now. So we're gonna mark it up here because it is holding, right? So once we start getting closes above this area here on GU, you could see some possible a possible move here to the upside. But for now I am a little more bearish than bullish. But at the end of the day, we go over to the 4-hour time frame. We are ranging, right? Especially during this session. So this is the 1 hour. So look, this is where we draw our range. Right from here, we have the most amount of rejection to here. This is a good area here. As you can tell, we rejected this area here. We also rejected this area here. This is a strong area here. So might as well mark it up. So we know that when it reaches this level, what do? We have something written down there, so we know. That's what's very important about having these levels drawn out here for us. So where is our level here of resistance? Area of resistance was right over here. This is where we have the most amount of rejection as well here for the upside, right? We've rejected here, rejected all over these areas. We got the closure below. We came to the bottom of the range. We came up here. We didn't want to close above. We closed within the range. We started coming down. All right, we've been ranging. Little morning star. We got the push. Remember, this is for the guys who were on the webinar here yesterday. This is the morning star. We got the closure. Look, if you guys would have entered right here. You guys would have entered here, kept your stops below here. This would have been almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. The 1-to-1 would have been hit. So that's what's very important here about knowing what a morning star is. So yeah, let's go, Christian. What's good? So yeah, for now we're just gonna wait and see here what happens with GU. This is our little range. What I'm thinking is that I wanted to reach this level, maybe take some buys. If we start getting some neat rejection over here, we start getting rejection, then I will possibly look for some buys here on GU. I'm actually gonna have a little alert here for us. So yeah. And then we go over, let's do EJ as well. And then that would be the last pair here I'd break down. Unless you guys want me to break down another pair. Where's your Zoom, people? Snipe, send it. I'll send it right now. Let me break down these pairs and then I'll be sending it over. So what are we looking here for EJ? EJ. Let's delete everything again and then mark everything up. Let's go over the weekly time frame. EJ looks very, very similar. It actually looks more similar here than GU, if you guys notice, to GJ. So what happened? Price came up here. This is a weekly, by the way. Price came up here, died down a little, died down even more, and then boom, you got the bullish push. Looking very, very similar here to GJ as well. So what are we looking for? Let's go. Let's move a little more to the left, and let's see where we have an area of rejection, or you could call it area of resistance, or you could call it an area of the band, whichever is best for you. But if you guys notice over here, this is what I'm looking at right now here for EJ. What could happen here is that we could liquidate all these areas over here, push up a little bit, and then get a little bit of a drop, and then keep on coming up, or drop more of an amount, right? Or we could come to this area here where we've been rejecting plenty of times. But first we have to see what happens here in this area, right? Because we could liquidate and see a move down. So we have to be very cautious here. Let's actually, you know what? Let's actually have a little line. Boom, at that area, knowing that we could be liquidating there and start pushing down at any moment. So that's what we're looking here for EJ. EJ is currently about to, or actually reached that area. But let's see if this weekly candle wants to break above and then start coming down. So let's see. Look, if you guys notice over here on EJ, this is looking very good for buys here actually, because it came up, right? You got that bullish pressure, you got that bearish pressure, wasn't so strong. You got another bearish candle, wasn't that strong, and then what can this candle do? Right? We have 20 hours for this candle to close. I really think that this will close like this. It either melts or it comes up. What I'm thinking here is that we started dying down here with these candles. So I'm thinking we get a little push here to the upside now that we started dying down here on the bears side. That's my opinion, but we have to see here on the lower time frames, just like we do on all the time frames. So what are we doing here? We're actually consolidating heavy here on EJ. The whole hour has been, basically the whole day has just been consolidation. If you guys notice, we have a range. Our range is from here to this area here, and then our area of resistance is has been better here. Has been rejecting better here. So this is basically our little area here. I'm thinking we could see a nice little bullish push here right now. So that's what I think for now. I started a funded challenge with 10K, a funded account, and draw down 4.7%. Any suggestions? Lower the lot size instead of bringing it up. Lower the lot size. That's going to help you a little more. Yeah, there you go, Prestige. Prestige has been here for a while. I've said this many times. Lower lot sizes and only take A+ setups. Yes. So that's pretty much it now. Now we just wait. Let me suggest any pairs you guys want me to break down, anything, any questions you guys want me to ask, let me know right now. Oh, another thing that I had to say, as you guys know, I do have a Signal group chat. I don't advertise it as much, but I do have one. I did do a promotion here for the weekend for $35. Now, I'm thinking of taking out the promotion today because it was just for the weekend. But But should I leave it on for a little bit longer, or should I just take it out today? But I don't know. I think I'm gonna just take it out today, just cause I did say it was only for the weekend. But I did get a lot of texts as well saying that they wanted to get it, but they couldn't get it to hold on 1 more 2 days. So I don't know if you guys. But I am thinking of changing it back today or tomorrow. Let's see. I'm not sure. How many signals do you get? I take more than 1 or 2 signals a day. That's how much I send 1 or 2 signals a day on there. So and they've been fire, bro. We've been fucking killing it on there. But what? Let's not even talk about that. I come on here to just teach, not to advertise or anything. But I didn't want to say that because I never do a promotion of my signals. So it's only fair for me to tell you guys on here. Let me send you guys. Give me a sec. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah. What broker do I use? I use Nations. I'll also send you guys the link for that as well. And you guys got me here sending links. But yeah. I'll send you guys over the prop firm that I use as well. So right there. The one on top is where you could get my signals. I have a promotion right now for $35. I usually have them at 50. On there, you're able to get on the Zoom with me, and you're able to catch any trades even if you're not on the live. And then I do special things on there. Like I did this weekend, I had a 2-hour webinar with you guys where I give a little test. I did a little giveaway as well. So yeah. I was doing good until I started over trading today. So that's exactly what I was saying. So if you guys actually look, I'm gonna say something with you guys. It's okay. I was making reels today, and I literally have a reel for that. Guys, you guys cannot be over trading. I'm telling you guys this from experience. I'm telling you from the experience. I was a person, I was just like you guys. I was over trading like a freaking dog. Over trading, I lost one and I wanted to be up on the day. The moment I stopped doing that, boys, the moment I stopped doing that was when I started seeing myself grow in the market. It was so hard but so simple at the same time. The moment I stopped over trading, I saw a big difference. I started whenever I was down. Let's say for example, someone on here told me they were down 4.7%. Lower down the lot size, and instead of you being in that challenge, you can literally do whatever you want here, because you could be in the challenge, right, where you're risking 1 or 2%. But if you, let's say you want to be in the challenge, but you want to take a break from the challenge, lower your lot size to like a 0.2, 0.1, or 0.3, and then it's not even going to feel like you're in the challenge anymore. Win some trades, and then when you're back on that little run, when you're back on that, then boom, come back to the test. Does it make sense? You guys have 30 days. You guys have 30 days, and then you guys could pass these challenges 8%, 10%. You guys have more than enough time to do that. But you're not going to afford to do it if you guys are over risking and you guys are losing 2 to 3% a day. That you can't afford to do. That you're not going to be able to even do what I just did right now. So let me see. 50 viewers on here. Hey, yeah, you. Shout out to the 50 viewers on here. Thank you guys for sitting out here. Thank you guys for liking the stream. It helps me out hella. Appreciate you guys for liking the stream. That's what we got. Some views on here. But thank you guys for pulling up. I'm on here every single day from Monday to Thursday. Every single day. I have to change the little where it says Monday to Friday. I'm on here every Monday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern. I trade every day Asian session. I don't trade on Sundays, but I do trade from Monday to Thursdays. So yeah. 2% per day, yes. Put the lot size 5 times and then big ball. What do you mean though? Yeah. Types me is the goat. Type me is the goat. Yes, sir. Yeah, boys. So remember, there's many ways of fixing your trading. Many ways of fixing your trading. If you guys are right now in a little downfall or something, it's very simple to just come back to where you guys were when you guys had that run, when you guys got the challenge, when you guys were ready. Don't go crazy, don't over risk, and you guys will be fine. Look at the last trade we took here on Asian session as well. We were basically just catching this little range. And we were bullish. Remember, we were talking about it. We were bullish. But that push down always comes first during Asian. Always comes first. So let's say right now we're bullish here. But then we sell here. It comes down, but then it flies during London. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for, at least for gold here today. I'm going to wait for it to come up to around this area over here. And possibly look for some sells there once we start rejecting this area. Because we always see things like that. Snipe is the goal. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. GJ is looking good for a fall. Let's look at GJ. Let's see, we're also in this area over here. It kind of looks like a little gambler candle, but we have to wait for this area here because something like this could happen. Something like this could happen. Yeah, it could possibly fly up here right now. I'm thinking it could. What's good, Christian? What's good? I'm gonna send the link in a little bit. Yes, sir. I see the same thing on gold. Yeah, so I'm looking for sells here. I'm looking for sells here, boys. I'm looking for sells. But let's have maybe something like this. Boom. 20 pips. Like 20 pips. Especially if it closes like this and then it comes up a little bit and then yeah. I like that. USD CAD breakdown. Yes, I'll break it down. Let me actually have a little alert here just in case we tap the area. Boom, boom, boom. There's gonna be a trade coming here, boys. So if you guys want to catch a trade, I recommend you guys to stay on here. We're looking to get in around this area. I'll be letting you guys know if I get in or not. Let me break down USD CAD here for you. Let's come to here. Alright, so let's break down USD CAD. What am I looking for? So we're in a range right here, USD CAD. This is 30-minute time frame. What could we look for right now? This is a New York session pair, which usually you do see volume here during New York and London. So what I'm thinking, if it starts closing below over here, then there you could be looking for sells. But here, I'd possibly just look for some buys, just because I do think it's just going to keep on ranging. That's what I'm thinking there. Let's see here what happens with gold. Most definitely going to touch those highs and sell off London on GJ. Yes, sir. Bello, what's good, Bello? It's Dr. Sachs in the building. I don't know, but I like you and Dollar a lot. Seems down to earth kind of guys. Yeah, we're pretty down to earth. We just fucking give knowledge. We don't show off or none of that bullshit. And I feel like that's what a lot of people like us. So I just never changed. And well, that's been me since forever. Like since before I was a trader, I would never show off. But yeah, a lot of people have told us that. But thank you, Humor. Thank you. 1.31. Is that a good price for buys? 1.31. Oh, you're talking about. You're talking about which pair? So about GU? What pair are you talking about? But get ready here for the sell. I'm looking to sell over here. I'm looking for the sell. I'm looking for the sell. We'd be in once we come up a little bit and we start seeing rejection. There we're getting, and then we have a beautiful, beautiful stop loss. I do think that we're gonna come back down and range. That's what I'm thinking. I mean, long in this move if it's wrong. I mean, the thing is that the possibility of it flying, it can fly. The thing is that during Asian session, I don't think we're gonna see that bullish push. What could happen here is that we could come down, and then there you could start getting that push. Let's wait here for a second. I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm in. I wanna see 5 minute, and I wanna see 15-minute closes back inside the range as well. Let me see. Hey bro, instead of sending me the BTC for that funded, can I just join the signal chat instead? Oh my god, Roxamite. Fuck dude, I literally forgot about that. Damn bro, my bad. I mean, well, yes, if you want my signal, you're more than likely to be in them as well. Yes. Okay, let's see what happens here. We're waiting. Hey, can I take the offer? Prestige, yes, of course, yes. Oh my god. You guys were both the people that I forgot to... Dude, I'm so sorry, guys. But yes, you guys could take on the offer. Just text me again, and then I'll be waiting for you. I promise you guys, I will text you guys back. So let's wait for close. Let's wait for a nice close. Alright. Let's wait here for the 5-minute close inside. Ooh, we got the rejection. Alright, boys. Right there, I'm in. I'm in right here. I'm in right there. It's gonna close inside. So there. That's the trade, boys. I'm in. I'm in. Okay, nice. Nice. Let me send a signal here for you guys. For the people who are not on the stream, which should be on the stream, but it's okay. They got the signals for a reason. Let me send them over. So XAU USD now. Entry. Entry is 1924.509. Stop loss is 1926.512. Take profit is 1922.506. There you go. We're in this bitch. We're back, boys. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Give me 1 minute. Alright, we're back. I'm also in. Let's go. Okay, so we're currently drawdown here. We should be fine. Should see some rejection. Still here on the 15-minute time frame. We do have this SMA here holding, so let's wait over here for a nice little closure within the range here on the in the 15, and we should be getting good news. I think we're in a very good trade here, boys. I think we're in a very, very good trade here, boys. Do you only enter on the 5-minute? I enter on the 5-minute. I like also entering on the 15-minute and on the 30. Now here, when I'm trading ranges, I like taking trades on that. I wait for it to come back inside of the range. You guys saw it came up and then came right back down. I like that. I like to see those, especially if we're ranging here. So yeah, boys. That's what I'm waiting for. We fly. We flew. The possibilities of flying right now, it's very, very small. Very, very small just because we're in Asian session. And you guys know, you guys been on here. We've been killing it with these type of trades. It's basically the fucking hack of Asian sessions. You gotta know where to find your ranges. Where is your entry? I entered 1924.509. Entered on a sell. Some money glitch. Literally. There's more to it, obviously. It came with experience as well. You gotta know where you find your ranges and stuff. You also gotta know that, look, if you go over here to the weekly time frame, let's go over to the weekly. Right? So what's going on here on the weekly time frame? We do look like we could possibly come up. Right? We could possibly come up here. But possibility of us coming up Asian session is not as big as it coming up during London. So the possibilities of these guys getting stopped out, the guys that are buying here to getting stopped out, are bigger than the ones who are not. Does it make sense? So yeah. Especially if the 1 hour closes very weakly here. It's going to give you that bottom wick and then possibly fly. Or come down and then fly during London and New York. So that's what we've been seeing every time here on Asian sessions. So that's what we're going to be going for. Okay, SMA, the smooth moving averages is 8 in the 50. 8 in the 50 SMA. I took out the 200. I put this one blue, this one red. And then look, if you go over here to indicators, it's the 3 smooth moving averages by Hamid Safi. Alright, we're coming down here. Looking nice. I like the 5-minute close. 5-minute close. Beautiful. Is this gonna be, what is this? Probably like our 5th, 6th, or 7th trade in a row here that we've taken a win. Is this gonna be it? It's gonna be our 6th or 7th? Shit, Christian, good shit. What a nice entry, right? It's a nice little glitch here that we got. And then if you guys are on stream tomorrow, make sure to get the freaking signals if you guys are on stream, because we're taking shit like this every single freaking day. Let's go, Kishitina. I'm up 500, not bad. Let's go. You gotta know where the ranges are. Snipes in the house. Let's go, Benjamin. Little pocket change. Some light. Yeah. Sheesh, Snipes. Yes, sir, Roxon. These signals better be hitting. Yeah, but let me see, how much am I up? something light. Almost two grand here. Nice. A little bit less than 1%. We'll be hitting 1% TP, or a little bit more than 1% actually at TP. I'm in 20 lots here on gold. How much are you saying? I actually have them in promotion right now. $35. I know. They're at a very, very affordable price right now. But I'm thinking of changing it back to normal tomorrow. So. Hey, what's up, Irene? Hey, good job for taking the trade, Irene. Happy that you took it. What's up, Michael? I put the wrong lot size and I'm up. Oh my god. I mean, a win is a win. Let me see. Wow, awesome call. Yes, sir. It's a win, though. A win is a win, bro. A win is a win. We're about to take profit here. Very close to taking profit. 1 hour time frame looking great here, actually, for a flip. Looking very, very good for a flip. Let's see what we want to do. This is gonna be, I think, our 7th trade in a row, some shit like that. Something similar to that. Let's see what's a 15-minute telling us. Ooh, what a fucking trade. What a trade, bro. Oh my god, that's it. I'm out. I'm out, boys. TP1 fucking smashed. How long did that take? Bring out the 5-minute time frame. Woo! Woo! Bring out the 5-minute time frame. That shit took us a little bit less than 10 minutes. Put the fucking dubs in the chat, boys. Put those fucking dubs in the chat. What a fucking trade. What a freaking trade. Now we just chill, pa. Yes, sir. Now we just chill. It's very, very simple, bro. Alright, let's put the... Very, very simple. Yes, sir. Spam the dubs. Spam the dubs. Spam the dubs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn, let's see who got in. Who got in? Sheesh. Good shit, boys. Nice little trade we took there. Nice little trade. So this is for you guys asking for the signal chat. I literally have it at a very affordable price today. It's at $35. Moving it back to regular price tomorrow. So yeah. Yes, sir, Benjamin. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Those are for the ones that stayed. Good shit, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good shit, Abby. Put one in the chat if you guys took the trade. And look at the sniper exit. Sniper entry, sniper exit. Sniper entry, sniper exit, boys. Look at that. You can't even get out. There's no way that you could get out more accurately. There's no other way to get out more accurately. Wow. But it could be coming down a little more here, which would be good for the people holding. Who's holding, by the way? I want to know who's holding. Who's holding this trade? Put a 1 in the chat if you're holding this trade. Sheesh, Gishabello. Gishabello. Dr. Sachs. Ooh. Lyrics Notes holding the trade. Dopatino got out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. This is a phenomenal one. Yes, sir. Humir, yes, sir. I use the pull-out method. You sent the Zoom link? No, I haven't sent it. I'll send it over right now. Let's put the Zoom link. Send over the Zoom link. This is for the people in my VIP. I'm gonna send them the Zoom link. Link for the signals. I'll put them here. Let me see. Boom. You have a course too? I'm making a course right now, actually. I'm making a course, but I'm making it very. I'm trying to make it very detailed, so that's why I've been taking a little long with it. Share screen here. Boom, boom. Send it over now to the signals. Boom. Sending over to freedom trading as well. TP smashed.
What up, what up, what up?
What's good, boys? What's good? What's good? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys see my screen, no?
Yes, sir.
Nice, 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 nice.
Hey, there goes that one candle. Hint, hint on the 5 minute.
Yeah. Let me see. I move this over here. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad I got out over here. I do think it's gonna come down a little bit more. At least maybe to this area over here, but I'm glad I got out, bro. I would have not liked.
I'd rather not find out.
Yeah, exactly. I'd rather not find out. What a nice little trade we took there. That was good. But we've been killing it here with getting in at the top and getting in at the bottom. It's been doing great here. We got a nice little payout. Well, what am I thinking now? Dude, I honestly did think it could come back here to the top of the range. It usually just does that shit, bro. For the ones holding it, I don't know. I low-key would have just gotten out. Or you could get out now. I'm not sure. I don't want to fuck up your psychology either, boys.
Hey, you do your part, bro. You already said where you got out. That's on them.
Yeah. It's going to melt, hopefully. Yeah, let's see if it melts. I do think it could possibly melt a little more. But I think that's it. I don't know. Lyric notes daily's out. Alright, nice. Joining the signals now. Hell yeah. We got a new buddy. Let's go. Look, my girlfriend's in here. Amelia, love you, baby. I just called the fucking fire ass signal. And I just made a good fucking amount of money. So we're going out today, baby. I'm more happy with the signal than the money I make. I make the money chilling. I made the 1%. But bro, I love that you guys catch the fucking trade. That's makes me even happier than the 1% I just made. I promise. Take me to Flanny's. Dude, I can literally take my girlfriend anywhere and she fucking likes Flanagan's. No, but bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. Flanagan's is nice, bro. Fire ass wings, fire ass everything. Yo, by herself. Let me see. But yeah, let's see. It kind of does look like it wants to come out a little more. So I'm gonna wait to find out over here. I'm gonna wait to find out what we do. Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, cheesecake is good too. Cheesecake is good too. Sushi. Ooh, some sushi. Sushi night. Sushi night, boys. Should I just get out and take her some sushi right now? No, I'll never do to you. I'll never do that to you guys. Oh yeah, Cheesecake actually was her first date. Cheesecake Factory was her first date. That's right, babe. Yeah, someone said cheesecake. Mr. Brisson, that was her first freaking date. Fogo de Chao. Oh, Fogo de Chao is where? Isn't that in Dolphin? No.
Let me hug.
I think that's such a cute couple. Yeah. Yeah, we're a good couple. JD bro came out gas. Hey, how long did it take? Oh, by the way, well, I mean, I don't know if you guys are here in Miami, but my girl does eyebrows and shit. She likes to be entertained while I'm live and shit. So she has a little business there going on. She kills it. She did actually my eyebrows today. Looking good. Are you in this? I'm actually out. I got in. It took me 10 minutes here to take this trade. I got in here at the top and I got in here at the bottom. Now I'm just chilling. Possibly there could let's see what's going on here with GJ. Look, so you guys notice GJ came down and rejected. And then what's going on with GU? GU is did I take my range here? Did I delete them? My ranges were here. Oh, right over here. This is my ranges. From here to here, from here to here. This is the range. Ooh, kind of looking like it wants to close below here though. Let's see. If it starts rejecting there and then closes above inside, then there could be a buy here. Here for the people who hasn't taken a trade. When is the next giveaway? I'll be doing a giveaway this week. Stay tuned. Any day this week, I will be doing a giveaway. So you gotta just stay tuned. I did a giveaway yesterday. I did a giveaway yesterday on my premium webinar. So yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna be doing more webinars as well on the weekends. For the people who really want to learn, I'll be doing those. Let me see. But yeah, gold. Yeah, you could see some type of rejection here in gold. But I'm thinking, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think I messed up some people's psychology, bro. Don't tell me you guys got out because of me. GU bleeding? Let's see. Yeah, GU is bleeding. Wait for close below before setting. Melting. Yeah. No, but it's better to. I think it's better to take a piece of the pie than to try to get the whole pie. As long as you guys got a little piece, you guys should be good. TP smack. Wow, let's go. Good shit, Bello. Bello got a little bit below me. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Everyone hit TP. I think you forgot. Forgot what? What did I forget, MG? Go to 1910. I don't know. We have to see. We're in a range. For me to tell you to go 1910, ooh, I don't know. I can't tell you that. Are we? You have to check the weekly. Weekly does look like it wants to flip, but it could take a couple of more weeks here for it to reach there. What's good? Came late to El Sazon, brother. You missed it. We caught a fire ass fucking banger here, bro. We got in right here at the top, got out right here at the bottom, like usual. Nice trade here though. It took us 10 minutes. 10 minutes to a TP1. Good shit. Good shit. What we got on this trade, boys? Good shit. And then what's going on here with GJ? We could possibly see rejections here as well. Possible rejections here. At this area. I'm gonna have a little alert here for you guys. Possible little rejection there. So about uploading the video. Oh, MG, I'm gonna do it this week. I promise. I'm gonna do it this week. Uploading videos of live backtesting, how to draw support. Yes, I'm gonna make those videos. Because if you guys learn how to do the support and resistance, then you guys could basically do what I'm doing. How to draw them exactly where I draw them. Because it looks easy on how I draw them. I just put them on the screen, but it's not just putting shit on the screen. It came with experience, knowing to where to put these support and resistance. So yeah. Let's wait until this area, see if we get some rejection. Let's wait and see. And then yeah. GU, look, so GU was coming down. It was coming down, but now it's back inside of the range. It did close on the 5-minute. But didn't close on the 15, and the 15 you guys know it's more valid than the 5. So if you guys got it on sells right here, you guys had to wait for the 15. It's only fair. So there could be possible buys here. Alright, it's very. The thing is that you see if the 15-minute closes under here, we're very close here to this level of support. If we close under, there could be a little nice break and retest here and fill this wick. So I can't tell you exactly what's gonna happen here with GU, but I do think that it could, you know, come down a little more if we do get the close below. GU loves to do those type of close below here on Asian session. GU loves to do it. The closes below, support, and then come down. So let's wait and see what happens. Yeah. See, on the time frame. Look, so look at gold. 1 hour just closed. It's 9. I'm thinking we're gonna come up. Fill this wick over here. That's what I think. What I think is that we're gonna come up. Look, this is like a nice little trade idea over here. That's what I think could happen. I'm not in this trade, by the way, but it is a possibility. $15-minute closed under. Coming up here on gold. Coming up here on gold. I literally just said it right here. What was it? It was like right here, no? It was like right here. Like what, 2 seconds ago? 20 pips. Only reason I didn't take this trade is because I took it to the bottom. I'm not gonna take it again to the top. I'm gonna keep my $3,000. But this was a nice little trade. If you guys could tell, it came down. It rejected this area of support, and then it lost momentum here for the bearish side. So we're possibly gonna come up here to the top of the range as well. So let's see. GG doesn't have that much volume right now, actually. We have volume, but it's not really picking strong directions here. How big is it from here to here, though? Yeah. The range is here. The thing is that you have a little minor one here, which is playing out a little bit more, but I mean, yeah, you guys could use this to take buys at the bottom and sells at the top here on GJ. I'll use the 15 minute though. And the 30, yeah, we're just trading within this area right now. It's been trading in here for 2.5 hours. But look at GU, boys. I think GU could break your retest this area here. Usually does it a lot. Usually likes to move here during Asian. Is it risky? Yes, because look, if you guys notice over here, we did close below them and came back in. But what are the odds that we do it again? Right? So we gotta wait and see what happens. And then EJ, oh look at EJ. We were talking about EJ. We were talking about buys here, no? Ripped up. The buys was here, look. I literally said it, bro. And then there goes gold. There goes gold. Ooh, look at gold, yeah. Did you guys get in on the buy or no? I doubt you guys got in because I didn't get in. But did you guys get in? Put a 1 in the chat if you guys got in on this right here. Nope. All right. Yeah. I doubt you guys got in, but I think you can play out. Freedom Trading bot is on as well. Nice. It's gonna be a good day today because now I have the Freedom bot on as well, and that literally never loses. So that's gonna be a great fucking day today. Wow. Baby, we're going to eat sushi. We're going for the sushi, baby. If you're still in here. What's up, guys? Really appreciate the Asian session live. Yes, sir, Mac. I got you, brother. I got you. Turn on the 15-minute sell. Yep. Turn off 30-minute sell. Oh, so you have the you bought the buy that you told me. Let's see. GJ. What's gold doing? Gold goes back inside of this SMA. And then look at GU. I think this is a break and retest, boys. I'm thinking this is a break and retest here. I'm thinking this is a break and retest. Unless this 15-minute closes back inside of the range. But I think it's a nice break and retest. I think a nice sell would be around this area here. Oh, never mind. That's a... I think a sell would be here. Like a 10 pip, so 10 pip. Yeah, maybe the top of that range, and then 10 pippers here. Something like this. Once it flips. Once it flips. Not it now, but once it flips. Snipes, can you mod me as this device? Oh yeah, I got you, Tony. Let me do that. That is a moderator. Managing moderator. There you go. You're a moderator now. What's good, Daniel? What's good? What's good? What's good? What about GJ? Ooh. GJ's coming down. GJ's coming down. What is it gonna do? No top wick here though on the 5-minute. 15-minute did kind of die down here, but I don't know. I don't trust it. I would rather buy. Thanks, Brody. Got you. Yeah, look, I'd rather just buy. Look, you see, it's about to make that top wick. About to make that top wick. Oh, and then GU not breaking and retesting yet. Let's see if the 15-minute closes back inside. If the 15-minute closes back inside, then you could possibly see this type of move again to the top of the range. And then GJ is now at the bottom of the range. Could possibly make this top wick as well. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. This is Euro USD. Look at gold. Oh wow. No one took it? No one took this trade? At least one. At least one person took the trade. Come on. At least one person took the trade. It flew though. It flew right back to the top of the range. That's good. It was very likely for it to happen. No one wants to risk their profits. Literally, yeah, I know. Yeah, it's the smartest thing to do to not get in the trade. But there's also a lot of people who didn't take the first trade. So, but nah, if you guys took the first trade, bro, if you guys would have been on the second, I low-key would have been like, yo, what the fuck you doing? We're just here to see what plays out. Gold, GU, NZD, JPY, AU, dropping going into Japan, and yeah. Yeah, so we usually have volume around this time. But if you get, we're just consolidating. Like CEO Flash said, I would have taken it. I'm kind of cleaning and listening right now. Haha, I have my Bluetooth speaker hooked up and my phone on the charger. Gosh, I hate that I missed it. No, bro, it's okay. If you took the first trade, you should already be on the second, unless you risk like 0.5% or something. And then there you could have like maybe like risk a half more, but I would have not even done that. I would have just been chilling. If you took the first trade, if you didn't take the first trade, then you could have most definitely taken that second trade. It was a good idea. It was basically the same shit we did here. We're most likely gonna get more volume during London and Asian and during London and New York. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. And then look, that's what we're going for. That wick fill on the 1 hour. That wick fill on the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm glad I got out there. I'm glad. But let's see. What's GU doing? So look at GU. Oh wow. GU pushed up again to the top of the range. Well, not top, but we're almost in the middle now. Well, we're at the middle. Middle of the range now, GU. 5-minute closed heavy up. Heavy to the upside. Right back to the top of the range. We could be going. We could even wick fill this here on the daily. If you ask me, we're holding this area very strong. We are holding this area very, very strong. So I do think we could even come up here and wick fill this area and keep on coming up, just like GJ wants to do. Let's see though, because GJ kind of wants to, kind of looking like it wants to push down here. I'm not sure in this team. Still ranging though. Don't ever plan on going back to London session. I always see more volume than Asian. I did. Ken, you got it on the second trade? No way. Ken, you got it on that second trade? Let's go, bro. At least someone took it. At least someone fucking took it. Unless you're lying to me. Snipes, do you trade all sessions or just London? No, I just trade Asian. That's the only session I trade. Now, if I'm awake during London and I'm looking at the market and something sets up nice for a breakout, then I could possibly get in. But I usually just chill. But yeah, I do send at least 1 to 2 signals a day. Which those are the trades I actually personally take. Every trade I send to the signal group chat is a trade that I take. Oh, that would have been such a good trade, bro. Look at that. That looks clean, huh? What's the 5-minute looking like? This would have been like a little 20-minute trade. I like our trade more though. Our trade was way better though, low-key. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, our trade was so quick down. Yeah, our trade was way better, low key. I'm not jealous at all. It is coming up there though. GJ. Yeah, so you see, you got the rejection. I do think it's gonna come up now. And then look how much we're rejecting in this area as well. This is a 1 hour time frame, by the way. This GU. GU came up. Now it's coming back down. But what is it gonna do? Is it gonna retest this area and then flip with no top wick? That's a good question. What will we do? I think your GPU is gonna fly here, bro. Overall, I think this shit's gonna rip the fuck up. Up to here. 1257. What about GJ? What's going on here with GJ? Yes, sir. Oh, fire. Good shit. I'm in German 30 right now, too. Okay, nice. How many trades have you taken today, King? Look at GU. Right back outside of the bottom. Right back outside of this range. Right back outside. What is it planning on doing? Unless our range is here. I think our range is there. Yeah, that's her range. Range is there. I'm taking sales on GU at the candle close. Okay. If we close below that support. Now I'm thinking this is the actual support. So I think a close below here would have been fire. But look, we're low-key still rejecting this area. That's what I'm thinking. But thank you guys. Thank you guys for pulling up here. I'm gonna be here for a little longer, maybe 30 more minutes around here. What was I gonna say? Thank you guys for pulling up. Thank you guys for leaving a like as well. You guys are the best. We have a good amount of people here today. Thank you guys for the 50 people that are here. And then if you guys like my trading, I'm on here every single freaking day, bro. Every single freaking day. And I'll be trading with you guys live. I don't think any other YouTube channel is doing that except me and Dollar. And well, there is some other people trading live, like Raja and stuff, but not like we do, bro. We're fucking taking these trades every fucking day. Every day we're taking trades. And we're fucking killing it in all of them. We don't need to have no win to lose, none of that shit. We lose it. We win every fucking day. Don't forget you have US news, so any pairs with USD might range. You seen CoffeeZilla's YouTube video? No, I haven't seen it yet. GJ's now coming up here at the top of the range. Kind of in the middle now, but please don't forget about uploading the video. Yeah, I won't. Look at GU, bro. Wow. Thank you for all the knowledge and the gold cup. Yes, sir. Thank you. Let's see. You can see, there you go. That was the gold trade. The 20 pip trade, that was from here. Right there. Now what is it gonna do here, boys? What is gold gonna do here? We're gonna sell off again? I'm thinking this is gonna sell off again. I'd rather be selling here than buying here, to be honest. But I'll tell you something. We came up, right? Boom, close below here though. But then here you got the bullish push. Are we gonna close on top of this wick? Remember, we have 1 hour. This is a 1 hour candle. Are we gonna close on top of the wick, or are we just gonna fill it and then keep on coming down? Because if we close above here, the possibility for us to break and retest here is very strong. Possibility for us to fly here could be very strong. Especially on the 30 minute if we get the closure here in 7 minutes. Because remember, we sold here. And it was looking like buys. So it probably could have been faking out those buyers that were supposed to get in on this candle. But we got in too early, faked them out, and then now it could be flying. That could be happening. So there could be a possibility here flying. Will I buy here? Would I sell here? I'd wait for closure above. That's what I'd wait for. I go live with dollar every day, 11 p.m. too. Hell yeah. Bangers, both of you. Yeah, that's all we fucking call, bro. Bangers. That's all we fucking call. No, we've been killing it, though. We've been killing it. Roger Banks always talks about traders' domains and coffee. Zillow exposed that traders' domain was be booking traders. Traders' domain is the guy that yeah. So I don't know about Roger anymore. Yeah, sales. I don't know. Wait. Well, Roger. I think Roger's a great fucking trader. I've been on Roger's shit many fucking times, and I think he's a really good fucking trader. That's what I think. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see in a couple of years from now. GG came to the bottom now. Coming up. He was a good trader, bro. Associated with the wrong people. Yeah, things like that could happen. Just like businessmen. Businessmen could be very good businessmen, but could be associated with very wrong people. For example, Donald Trump and stuff. He's a very good businessman, but associated himself with very wrong people and has damaged his image. So it's basically the same shit. Let's see. Waiting for the breakout on gold above supports. Look, it's coming up here. Yeah, the buys are looking not that bad. Because you see, you got the retest on the SMA as well. I think that's a very good trade. You gotta get the close here on the 30. Give me a second, bros. I'll be back in 1 minute. Alright, I'm back. So look at gold. Gold closes here in 2 minutes. What about 30 minute? 30 minute closes in 2 as well. This is what I'd be more happy for. More happy, but more waiting for the most. That 30-minute close. This could be long term as well. I think you could probably hold 1 to 2 risk to reward here. Thinking we got a 5-minute gap. I'm gonna have it. Sure. Could look for buys. Yeah. Let's see. And then look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks very nice for it to fly. Very, very nice for it to fly. But guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. I already took my trade. We've learned a lot today. Today was a great day, boys. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys liked today. Put a fucking 1 in the chat if you guys liked today. Also remember, my signal group test going back to regular tomorrow. So I'd recommend you guys, if you guys want some signals, I'd recommend you guys to get them today, just because they're more cheaper today. And I never do a promotion, never. So yeah, boys, I'm gonna leave the link there for you guys. I rarely promote my signals. Some people don't even know I have them, but I'm promoting them just because I have them on promotion, and I want to let people know. So yeah, boys, I'm gonna leave the link here for you guys, and then I'm gonna tip. Today was a great day. We called the freaking fire banker, bro. So yeah. There you go. Could look for buys after midnight, bro. Yeah. Look, do you see it? It's coming up here. It was a good trade. It was a good trade. Hey, bro. Wanna see you guys? See you tomorrow. I'm here tomorrow. Tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I will be live, breaking down the charts, and then looking for a potential trade, just like we did today. Thank you guys for pulling up. If you guys are new, subscribe, because we're fucking killing it every single day on here.